Gone are the days when a condo unit owner just stays inside the unit because now condo dwellers are looking into work-life balance, and Paseo Verde understands that, featuring refreshing resort-style amenities that aims to rejuvenate your tired senses. Paseo Verde is offering ready for occupancy units with a minimum down payment required as low as 72,000 pesos to move in. This is conveniently located in C5 Extension, Las Piñas City, just across LRT1 Extension and very close to the airport. Take a dip into the refreshing swimming pool where the sun dances into the water surface. You can also enjoy lasting memories with your family in their fully equipped clubhouse. Create that fitness regimen and sweat it out in the fully equipped gym. Let your kids enjoy their outdoor fun in the parks and playground, and be mesmerized by the thoughtfully landscaped garden in the Sky Garden, and enjoy the panoramic view of the city skyline. Come home to Paseo Verde, your lush oasis in Las Piñas City, and enjoy convenience, accessibility, security, and balanced sustainable living. This is the heart of Green